أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today is our class for the 11th is. In last class we read about the that's simple epithelial tissue. Now our today's topic is compound epithelial tissue. It's a compound epithelial tissue. Let's first see. A compound epithelial tissue is that type of tissue which is made up of more than one layer of cells. And the lower layer of cells that rests on the basement membrane. This lower layer of cells is almost of the columnar or cuboidal type. This lower layer of cells always rests on the basement membrane, and the intermediate cells and the exposed cells there, they are named according to their nature. The lower layer cells, which is of columnar type, that's called stratum germinatum. A stratum germinatum that gives rise to new cells. When the upper layer of cells become dead, the new cells arise from the stratum germinatum. The middle layers, two or three layers of the cells, they are loose and become stratum spongiosum, and the upper layer is called stratum corneum, and corneum may be keratinized, it may be non-keratinized. So this is called compound epithelium. This compound epithelium, it is further divided into two types. It's made up of two types of cells. One is called stratified and second is called transitional. A stratified epithelium is only made up of more than one layer of cells, but cells are non-stretchable. They do not stretch. They do not expand. But the transitional epithelium is made up of more than one layer of cells, while the cells become stretchable. They require stretchable while they are white. So this compound epithelium is further divided into stratified and transitional. A stratified compound epithelium, further it's of according to the upper layer nature of the superficial structure of the cell here, it's of squamous. In the upper layer is squamous type, it is flat, VV type, it is cuboidal. If the upper layer is cuboidal or cubical, it is columnar, non-ciliated, and lastly it might be columnar ciliated. It might be columnar ciliated if the cilia are not present. Now let's first take this squamous stratified compound epithelium. This squamous stratified compound epithelium is that type of compound epithelium in which the outer layer of cells, superficial, that's exposed to outer environment, it is squamous type. And the function of this compound squamous type cells, the function of the squamous stratified compound epithelium is it protects from mechanical aberrations, environmental stress. It doesn't have the role in secretory or absorptive role. So this squamous stratified compound epithelium, it is further of two types. One is called keratinized and second is called non-keratinized. Now, first we will look towards the keratinized. Oh, this is the keratinized squamous stratified epithelium. What happened is in this type of this is characterized squamous stratified epithelium. It is made up of more than one layer of cells. The lower layer of cells is always or either cubical or columnar in shape. This columnar cell layer rests on the basement membrane. The intermediate cells are called stratum spongium. These are loose cells. Stratum spongiosum, and the outer layer of cells called stratum corneum. It forms the stratum corneum. The outer layer of cells lose nucleus. These cells, the cytoplasm and the nuclear area of these cells are deposited by keratin protein. And this keratin protein makes them dead hard area. These cells become dead, they are hard. When they are removed, the new cells are formed from the stratum germinatum. As these cells pass through the stratum spongiosum towards the stratum corneum, they again become, in presence of air, they can become hard and the deposition of calcium takes place. So you might have seen that what's the location of these cells? These cells are mostly located in our epidermis. This our epidermis and the nostril part, our anal part, where there is highest mechanical abrasion, where there is highest mechanical stress. This keratin protects us from environmental stress. It protects from mechanical stress. So the outer portion of the cells, the squamous type of cells, they are deposited by keratin. And this layer of cells is called stratum corneum. Stratum corneum. This stratum corneum is not mostly present in case of fishes because the outer layer of the epidermis of the fishes is covered by scales, and it's not also found in case of amphibia. Amphibia has other type of non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. The function of this is that it protects from mechanical stress, environmental aberrations, mechanical aberrations, environmental stress. Then there is second, that's non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. This is non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium, compound epithelium. Here the lower cells is always columnar in shape, which rests on the basement membrane. The middle cells, they are called stratum spongiums. They are of different types, polygonal in shape, and the outer layer of cells, it is squamous in nature, squamous in structure, the superficial layer. But here, the cytoplasm and the nucleus is not deposited by the keratin protein. That's not deposited by the keratin protein. So the cells retain their squamous nature. The cells are not dead, they are live cells. The new cells are formed from the stratum germinatum when the abrasion or the upper layer becomes the dead. Where is the location of this non-keratinized squamous epithelium? It forms the epidermis of the frogs. It forms the epidermis of the fishes. It forms our internal part of the nostril. It forms our buccal cavity. Where there is a less abrasion as compared to non-keratinized squamous stratified epithelium. So the function is also it protects from mechanical stress, protects from mechanical abrasions, etc. So this non-keratinized squamous stratified compound epithelium, it has no role in absorption or secretion. It always protects from mechanical injury, mechanical stress, environmental stress. That's all.